guys, today we have Blackview A80 broken charging port. Customer bring the device and told me that the charging port is moving and is not charging anymore. As you can see, there is no sign of charging even if you move the cable. So let's open the device. First, remove the SIM card slot, then you can continue detaching the back housing from the frame. This device can be opened easily. There is no risky of broken the flex cable of the fingerprint. You can remove it without any caution. Now we need to take out all the screws and unplug the battery. This is very important for you to do. I have continued working without removing the battery, but I didn't advise you to do that so remove the top housing and unplug the battery. Then you can continue working and unplug the flex cable connected the subboard to the main board. I'm looking if I have the same charging port, but I don't have it, so I'm going to try to resolder the pads to the pins or the pins to the pads. As I'm looking, all the pins of the charging port is loose, no connection between the charging port and the charging port. Anyway, you can replace the whole sub, or you can bring a new charging port and resolder it, or you can resolder the same charging port as I did in this video, because it was working and it was just loose. As you can see, the pins is moving. There is no connection between the board to the charging port. It's zero connection. So now I'm pushed it to the board. This is empty flux, so I'm going to start resolder the pads. This is the low cost phone. That's why maybe the work on these phones is very bad. It could be get bad in few weeks, in few days. When you get original phones, these things can't be happened no matter what. The solder make a solid connection, and this can't be happened. The charging port should all broke from the inside, but to be unplugged and lose the pads from the pins, this has never happened. So I'm going to make a solder better than factory. We have bridges, it's okay, we can now remove it. Now we have a job better than factory. I'm going to make sure all the pads and the pins are solid and there's a connection. After that, I'm going to resolder the legs from the back because I feel the charging port is shaking. I don't know why. You can now clean. After that, we will flip the board and continue work to it. Put some empty flux and resolder the legs from the back. We need to make the charging port very solid. Now you can clean, and after that you can try if the phone start charging or not. If not, we will replace the new charging port because we don't have the charging sub on stock. You need to connect the sub flex cable, and we have also the antenna. The vibrator, we didn't remove the solder from it, so you just need to put it in place. Make sure the wire it's on place, because when we put the housing, if the wire is not on place, you could cut that wire. This wire is responsible for connection when you put the cellular. If this wire is cut, you will have no service. After we do full assembly, now we can put the charger on and see if the phone goes to charging. We have a red light and now the phone starts charging, so our job has been done. No need to replace the charging port or the charging sub. So this was for today. If you have any question, you just can write it down on the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.